We got a Barracuda here, but it's actually a top dog. It's a 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S with a 383 big block under the hood. And it is rotisserie restored. The bottom of the car is this glossy. Bucket seats, console, the back seat folds down. This thing is nice, very dialed in. Numbers matching on the motor and the transmission. It's a rare car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all about it. You can look at those pictures top to bottom, and that's where you find a price tag on every car we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option on every car that's for sale. That's at volocars.com. And if you really get excited about any of the cars, click the Buy It Now button that's on our website, and that'll just lock you in until you have a chance to talk to the salesman. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click that bell icon, and you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yep, flipped on a rotisserie. That means it was taken to a bare shell. It was flipped on its side so they could easily work on the bottom. Every part was removed. All clean metal. The floors, the frame rails, the rockers are sweet. And it was all prepped and painted the same Ember Gold body color. Now, every part that was put back on the car was rebuilt, restored, detailed. So all of the suspension has been rebuilt. All the steering's rebuilt. And part of the Formula S package was some special suspension. And this one has a few tasteful upgrades. It has Coney gas shocks at all four wheels. It also has a custom exhaust. It's stainless steel with the X pipe. It sounds real nice. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. Got the chrome or stainless tips coming out the back. It has disc brakes in front. The whole brake system was restored. The lines, the hoses, the e-brake is hooked up. All the fuel system was replaced. You look up at the motor, it's like spotless. The oil pan's not even oily or greasy. 727 torque flight automatic transmission, all nice and clean. Has an 8 3/4 rear end. I think this had 323 gears in it. We'll double check that. So underneath is show quality. It's beautiful. The body's outstanding. This is the fastback roof line. The roof is straight coming down the pillars. There's no cracks, no damage. All of this lining up real nicely. Square, flush, real nice here. Lining up real good. This is part of the Formula S package, and it says 383 right on it. Those look like brand new. Body's excellent, laser, straight. I mean, even if you're one of those fussy ones, you can come here and tell me if I'm wrong. This is absolutely straight, lines up beautifully, no bubbles, square and flush. Shuts nice. All this is nice. No cracking, no damage, no body work showing. This is all beautiful, all lining up, all real nice. Probably better than it was when it was new. Here's repaint. Oh, here's a hairline crack right here. There's one stress crack. This long, just like a hair. The paint is the original color, Ember Gold. It's metal flake. It's laid out evenly and polished like glass. A beautiful, beautiful paint. I did not notice any flaws when I was looking for them. What I like about this car is kind of a sleeper. It's not a bright, in-your-face color. You got the poverty wheels with the center caps all painted and clear-coated, the redline tires. So it's a muscle car that might surprise a few people. Chrome, looking good. The remote mirror looks new. Even the chrome around the vent window, the trim on top of the doors, the handles, the gutters, all the stainless moldings, even the wiper arms, all of it is either restored or replaced. It's all looking dynamite. Front bumper, the grills are beautiful. I don't know where you'd even get those. That's another point I wanted to make. You restore a Mustang or a Camaro right out of a catalog. Whoever restored this car had to go out of their way to do it and pay a little extra because some of the parts aren't as easy. Round marker lights for 68 only, and they look like new. The Formula S emblem, red, white, and blue. This all looks like new. Got a passenger mirror. Same thing here. All this is beautiful, shiny, beautiful. Original rear window, typical. Some light scratches. Bumpers, beautiful. Trim back here, all nice. The frosting is real nice. There's some freckles in the chrome. It's bright chrome, but there is some freckling right there. It's got the pop-up racing gas cap. That looks like new. So yeah, really slick looking car. Windshield was replaced. Tires are so new, so as the nubs on the tread. Open it. Let's open it up. I'll give you a tour of the inside. All right, let's look inside the trunk. This car is so unique. I don't recall ever even being inside one of these or seeing one. It's painted beautifully. I mean, everywhere you look, the paint on this car is gorgeous. A new weather strip. Now, just like the Mustang Fastback, this opens up here. So you ever want to haul lumber or go snow skiing, there you go. You can fit them in there now. Okay, I should have left well enough alone. There we go. Now see this mat here? We're going to lift it up. Voila, matching fifth tire, never been used, painted rim. And look how nice and clean the metal is. It's all painted beautifully. So that's a real nice trunk compartment there. I was surprised to see a red line and a painted rim underneath there. This was their pony car. This competed with the Mustang and the Camaro. This would be equivalent of a SS 396 or a Mustang with a 390. This would be right on par with that, except much, much more rare. I think about 1,100 of these are made all together. Jambs are real slick. Weather strips replaced. The metal is painted real nice on the doors, the door panels, the armrests. All that looks like new. The dash area is wonderful. The dash pad, the knobs, the instruments, the chrome is shiny everywhere. The heater control panel, all of it looks beautiful. New glove box liner. I like this lower dash pad's real nice. So it has a radio delete. There's no antenna on the car. It's a radio delete car, but they've put a modern stereo underneath here. It's not, cutting up the car at all. Nice center console. Got the shifter. Got seat belts. Seats feel real nice. They're all reupholstered. Nice carpet, floor mats, seat belts for the back. It's all looking real good. And then this here does fold down. Give me a second. I think there's a lever right here. There you go. There you go. I'll get your 2x4s. Side panels, the trim is painted. The lights are real nice. Headliner is in excellent shape. And we got to talk about the steering wheel real quick. Beautiful. This is polished aluminum, the wood grain. This is either restored or it's new, but it's a beautiful steering wheel. Even up in the door jambs there is painted real nice. Yeah, this is a high quality car. So I wanted to point out, I was looking at this one, I said it looks like new. This one here, these must be like a plastic. It does have some cracking, some defects in this here. But, I mean, it presents itself well. I did want to point that out. Okay, 383 motor making 300 horsepower and I believe 400 pounds of torque. It's the Super Commando. I mentioned earlier a few tasteful upgrades. Does have an aluminum intake with a dual feed Holley with electric choke, and it has a set of headers. Look at the engine bay, the right hose clamps. Look how everything's painted. It's so meticulous. Alternator looks fresh. Chrysler radiator at the right shroud and fan. The pulleys look real sharp. Chrome is show quality on the valve covers and breathers. an actual Mopar battery, reproduction battery, all bolted down properly. We've got the original fender tag, checks out real nice. The VIN number of the car is stamped right here on the core support. Yeah, show quality motor compartment.
All right, we got an absolutely beautiful day here. So we're going to take this beautiful 1967 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S out for a cruise. This is a super rare car. 383 big block under the hood, 727 automatic, rotisserie restored. One of my favorite cars that we have here in our entire inventory. And I am super, super excited to take this one for a drive. Handling bumps real easily, steering real nice and easy. Just keep in mind this one does not have power steering on it. I don't think that was an option from the factory with that big 383 big block under the hood. I'm not sure if they had room to tuck it up underneath there. It does have power brakes, and yeah, really nice car overall. Stops easily. And let's see what this 383's got. And just like that, up to speed, no problem. This thing is a torque monster. In this light little car, you can just feel the pickup, and it's exceptional. Great car all the way around. Drives real nice, nice and smooth. It's like awesome. I'm totally impressed. Let's see if the radio works. Alright. Gotta dial in an exact channel, but that isn't working condition. It does appear that the gauges are working. I did see the speedometer go up, and it looks like everything's working on the dash there. Really nice, well put together car. Don't forget, we're about an hour outside of Chicago and about an hour drive outside of O'Hare International Airport. If you want to come do a personal inspection, you can call, talk to one of our consultants, and take it for a test drive yourself, even if you'd like to. You're also more than welcome to hire a third-party inspector. They can come out, put it up on the lift, inspect it top to bottom, and give you your own report of the car. But as I see it, it's an exceptional car, great condition, running and driving phenomenally. Check it out on volocars.com.
They said compared to the Camaro and Mustang, this is an extremely rare car. About 1,100 of these were made total with the 383. You narrow it down to a fastback with an automatic, I think it was like 300 and something. So rare car, equivalent to a $100,000 plus rotisserie restoration. Numbers match. It's a nice piece. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer questions, including how to get it delivered to your door, how to finance it. That's at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon, and that way you're notified when the new video is posted. Thanks for watching.